your boy Syvon.
We're going to be vlogging for you guys. This vlog is going to be a doctor's visit. I'm going to the doctor's to get a procedure done. It's nothing extreme, but it's just something that I need. My face looks chunky on this side. But yeah. So guys, we're going to my doctor's office for a procedure that I need. And they told me before I get there, 30 minutes before my appointment, I need to take 3 to 4 Advils. But I take ibuprofen, so I just took the ibuprofen. It's like a knockoff brand of Advils. Anyways, we just wanted to come on camera and let you all know what we're doing for today. So we're just gonna be going to my appointment, and then what else we doing for today, babe? Sorry for shaking.
I don't know what it's going to do today. I know Mother's Day is coming up, so that might be a different video.
Yeah.
We might shop going to that.
Oh shoot.
What you guys doing today, man? I'm doing good. We're doing good.
He's taking me to my appointment.
Give God thanks for another day.
Yes, sir.
I pray a day won't hurt.
It will not. It will not.
Big up on yourself, isn't it?
Big up on myself, you see me?
Big up to the Vision crew, you know? Vision clan, biggest clan out of Jamaica, isn't it? Up move. Torture. With that all been said, you know what I'm saying? Journey with us. We'll be right back.
We are currently making a quick stop to Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A.
Who was hungry?
I need to grab me something to eat because I just took this medicine and I don't want it messing with my system. Ooh,
no, we don't.
There's nobody in this
For the first time, man, Chick-fil-A is always packed.
Always packed. What they have for breakfast? Oh, it's not even breakfast no more, huh?
I think it's still breakfast. I mean, lunchtime starts 11 o'clock.
Actually, see if it's still breakfast.
Hello?
Because it's about to be 11, so I don't think it's breakfast anymore.
So you're doing Chick-fil-A? I mean,
You guys still doing breakfast?
no more breakfast, sir.
No more?
No.
Okay, so no
I'll
more.
get oh shoot. I'll get some nuggets. Should I get bread? No, I should get bread. Give me a spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken?
Yeah.
Can I get 2 spicy chicken?
The meal or just the sandwiches?
Yeah.
I want the meal, but I don't want no drink.
No drink. Just the sandwich and the fries.
The medium fries for both?
Yeah.
So 2 spicy sandwiches, 2 medium fries. Anything else?
That's it.
You need sauces for you, sir?
No.
Ketchup.
Okay.
Oh, just ketchup.
Okay, so stop out the window.
Alright. Ketchup with it. Ketchup. Feeling good.
Got our sandwiches.
Alright, thank you.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
I have no idea. I think she said have a great day.
I thought you said hold on right there.
Oh, did she?
I don't know. I just said something.
Oh, I didn't hear. I thought all I heard was have a great day. That's all she wrote.
Can I make a U-turn right there? To the doctor's office, guys.
We are walking in. I'm vlogging on my phone because the camera's kind of big, and yeah, they might be like no vlogging or no video in the office and stuff, so I'm gonna use the phone. Who's somebody on the elevator?
Huh?
Oh, somebody's on the elevator. Boom, nobody. Go to floor 2. Ooh, hi. Go ahead, babe. Wait, this ain't the right way.
That's right there.
All right, guys. I'm about to walk into the office right now, so we'll be back.
Right here, you're going to print your name, and right here, you're going to sign and date. Whose day is the 9th. All right, you're going to undress from the waist down, and she will be in just a bit. Okay? Thank you.
She's finally in here. Look at her messing with people's stuff.
That's beta line. That's something to numb it. I mean, to cleanse the area. You know how they like surgical shows, you see them pouring like some red liquid on people before they cut them open. And then come over here and tell me. Oh, I thought it ripped. Wait, ripped.
So guys, Syvon over here looking nervous as hell. I ain't gonna show her because she had to undress.
Poop on her. Ooh.
Y'all hear that? Nervous ass.
I am.
I'm telling her to calm down, but she's like, oh my god, oh my god, like she's getting a heart attack or something.
I need to walk around. I need to
Get up and walk around now.
calm my nerves. I don't want to poop.
Huh?
I don't want to poop.
Nervous ass.
I want them to be like, oh, our machine is down for today, so we won't be able to.
Nope, we gonna get this over today. Yeah, she just came in here with oh, I'm sorry for my language, guys. What is this? What you gonna do to you? I got
I need them to stop bringing in tools. I need them to just bring it all here at once and stop letting it sit here and marinate in my brain and be thinking about stuff.
nervous. You gonna be fine, man. There's nothing wrong with you. Just a procedure.
You come sit down over here.
Who?
You.
I'm Gucci.
This is the sacrifice you make to have a healthy body, to carry healthily for women. This is how you get healthy babies. Yeah.
You gotta make sure your body's right, guys. Gotta get that checkup at least twice a year, or I don't know how much a year, but gotta get that checkup.
For women, it's every year.
Oh, every year, once a year, or
Every year. Yeah.
oh, okay.
I'll take that one.
I'll take that. So good. We're almost done, okay?
Okay.
Yo, YouTube. Alright guys, the procedure is done. I couldn't get to record as much as I want to because obviously they said no recording. I was trying to sneak a little sneak peek of it here and there. So you guys might see a little sneak peek in the video in this vlog.
Did she use this?
I think she used that just for the
It's so pretty. Alright. Babe, how do you feel about this visit?
oh.
Guys, we are done.
Guys, before y'all jump to conclusions, she's not pregnant.
I'm not pregnant.
It's just a regular checkup.
Just a regular checkup.
I'm talking about it's just a procedure.
Procedure.
Just like a regular checkup for a woman. Just make sure she's good to have babies in the future, or I don't know much about what's done there, but yeah, that's a regular checkup, guys. You know what I'm saying?
Guys, guess how much money I just paid for this procedure?
I'm gonna press this one.
Guess how much money I just paid for this procedure? I paid $1,500. I paid $1,553.60. See how expensive I am? Babe, I'm expensive, huh?
one.
Yeah, one. Babe, I'm expensive, huh?
Tell her what Richard said the price.
Oh, guys, she was telling me the price for everything, and it was one price that was like $500 or something. It was one that was $500, and then I think she said one for $100 and something. And then before she said my deductible and everything, she said my total was like $155.36, right? She was like, but with your deductible, it goes down or whatever. I ended up paying $100.36. I mean, $155.
Yeah, when she said $500, I was like,
yeah, you should have seen his face. I was doing my survey to get my free water bottle.
I was like, who's gonna pay for that? We're gonna do everything. We're gonna take everything that you
Take
just did.
everything out. Oh, they emptied that sweet out, boy. They emptied that out. I was just here in April, and they was there. But yeah, anyways, guys, like I was saying, whenever the nurse was saying how much everything will be, the billing nurse was saying how much everything will be, Javon, his face, he was like, like, babe, for real, I didn't flinch not a bit because I already know how I'm gonna pay for this.
Who's gonna pay for that?
I already know how I'm gonna pay. I'm gonna pay with that flex spending account card that HEB gave me. Okay, because this ain't coming out of my pockets. But yeah, and then the lady, she was like, when I gave her the card, she was like, this is why she didn't flinch and you flinched, because she got this card right here.
I thought she was spending like straight cash or a debit card. I was like, man, you crazy.
Heck no. I can't do no, babe, that's a lizard. Get that lizard from the car. I'm not going over there. Where it go? Stop. See how you play? I'm gonna tell my mama. See how you play too much? Babe, open the door. Open this one. I'm not getting over on this side. Babe, stop. See? No. Stop playing. Look, I just came from a procedure. I don't feel it. My stomach. Okay. Babe, open the door. Cause.
Wait, you talking about that lady too?
Stop. See how he play? Y'all see how he play? He don't care about me.
Jump inside, my guy.
I'm about to crawl over him, my guy.
Damn, you wildin'.
I got my free water bottle this time, cause last time I got the tote bag. What's that little button for?
It's a button in there?
It look like a button, or am I tripping? Or maybe it's one of those little pods. No, it's too small to be a pod thingy. But all right, guys. Whew, I'm tired. I'm tired. I look weird, like, huh? Camera is backseat. Guys, we was vlogging on our phone. Well,
so we're gonna switch it back to the camera.
We about to switch back to that camera.
Oh, we might just end this video. I don't know. We don't want this video to be too long for you, but
yeah, cause my arm is hurting. Oh,
So, babe, how was the procedure?
The procedure, it was okay. It was just, it wasn't what I thought it was gonna be. I thought they were about to go snip, tuck, clip, and everything, but actually, it wasn't that bad. Like, I just felt pressure. I'm a baby when it comes to pain, the slightest pain, anything. I don't like feeling pain at all. But that wasn't that bad. I'm not gonna say I could do that again because I don't want to do it again, but it wasn't that bad as I thought it was gonna be. So, yep, guys, it wasn't that bad. He was holding my hand, y'all. That was so cute.
She tried to squeeze my hand. I was like, "Oh, you want to play that game?" I was like, "Let me switch my hand because she was holding my left hand." I was like, "Let me switch my hand because squeeze my hand one more time."
He was squeezing my hand.
Which one gonna hurt more?
My doctor said squeeze his hand if you need it.
Man, she was holding on to one hand. I was like, man, hold on.
One finger.
Yeah, one finger. Yeah, I was like, hold on.
That's all. Let me show you. Babe, give me your hand. Give me your finger. You see this?
Man, when she said this, she was like, you might feel the pinch right here. She gripped my crap. I was like, hold on, let's switch hand. Go back to my right hand. I make sure I hold her whole hand. I'm like, look, see the difference between your hand and mine? You see the difference? I was like, let me hold your hand. You gonna see which one gonna hurt.
He gripped my stuff, y'all. I said, babe, you supposed to be comforting me and stuff. I'm supposed to grip your hand. You can't. What happened when we have a baby and I'm going through labor and stuff?
I'm gonna get a fake hand. You gonna hold on today?
You play too much. Give me a stress ball or something.
Oh yeah, I can do that too.
Yeah. So guys, I guess this is gonna be the end of this vlog here, and then we're gonna start on our next video. Okay. Do it again, babe. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm trying to.
Okay. All right, guys. So we're about to end this vlog right here, y'all. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below. Anyways, like I was saying, subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, share this video on all your social medias, and also comment down below what you would like to see from us, or just comment what you want to comment. Comment if you like this video. Comment if you want to see more vlogs, or you want to see something else. Whatever you want to see, let us know. We got you. Okay.
Period.
Period. What was I'm thinking some. Oh, hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video, so that way you right there, so that you will be notified when we post our videos, and you could be the first viewer. Comment first, let us know what's up, and then you know what I mean. Okay. I'm going to get ice cream now because I feel like being a baby. So yeah, guys, see y'all in the next video. Peace.